Hello and welcome to my channel. Well, today I'm going to show you something crazy. Brake pads, right? What could crazy be about them? Well, here is the thing. I always do check my brake pads at least once a year, and this time of the year I decided, well, I'm going to rotate my tires. So it's about 5,000 miles on them, and I'm going to check the brakes as I always do. If I remove the tire, I check the brakes, check the pads, and so on. So I removed just to see, to clean basically the pins, the sliding pins. Just then when you remove them, I'm like, well, let's pull out the pads and take a look at them. So when I remove the pad, there's something crazy. I noticed that. You see? How crazy is that? Pad separating from the metal surface. Crazy. Imagine if this pad separates while you're driving. What really happened in here, I think, is a paint. They're painted. You're gonna say, well, they're too old. They're about 3 or 4 years old, so they're not that old. And actually, I never seen this before. I had cars that I would drive, wear the pads out completely, pretty much to the bare metal, but they would never separate like that. So it's what you see in here is a prime example of, see the light, you can see the light, it's separating. This is a prime example of quality. Somewhere this company, whoever makes those pads for, and I'm gonna show you where I buy those, and I've been using this pads from this place for at least 20 years, you know what I mean. However, I'm gonna check my other car. If I noticed that it's a trend that they're separating, I would never again use those pads. And these pads came with a lifetime warranty. Yep, you got it right. Lifetime warranty on those brake pads. These brake pads were not in the front; they were in the rear of Toyota Sequoia. As you can see, there's still left about 50% life on these pads. There's plenty of life, but they're starting to separate. And this is the brand. This is the brand. I'm not sure what AutoZone was using in the past, but I never had issues with them. Never seen and never heard of brake pads separating. You know what I mean? This is first for me, and because it has lifetime warranty, I'm gonna take them back to the store and get my money refunded back because it's a lifetime warranty. So that's pretty much it. It wraps up the video. This is something to watch out. Check your brake pads on a regular basis. Never assume that they're good even though they still have 50% life. And what's really happening, what I can see, is the paint. They glued the material, the pad material, to the metal, not directly, but to the paint itself, and that's why it's separated. And you know what? This is the quality control issue. Same thing here, starting to, as you can see paint, rust, and because the metal surface was not prepped properly, and it started to lift off. Well, actually, the paint probably disappeared because of the rust, and you have this gap now. Interesting how they build them. Definitely a quality issue. It's a bad material. The pad material itself, I think it's good. I have used their lowest, cheapest stuff, which wears out fast, but never had issues separating like that. This is first of its kind. I can tell you one thing, this is not acceptable. Well, good thing there is a lifetime warranty, so I'll put it in a box, take it back, they'll refund me the money. Either the way it works with them, if you don't know, the AutoZone has the lifetime warranty on brake pads. If you wear them out or something like this, you remove them, take them back, they'll give you the fresh set. But you gotta take it back 4 pads, even if one is damaged. But you take back 4 and they'll give you the new. Or you buy the set and then they will refund the money when you bring the old ones back. So that's pretty much it. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to share this video with others and have fun. Always check your brakes.